In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to screen record with audio on iPhone 16. This allows users to record not only their screen but also provide real-time commentary, enhancing clarity and communication. Let's first enable the screen recording feature to Control Center. Head to your Control Center. Long hold on any free space. You will then see this option of Add a Control. Search for Screen Recording. Now just tap to get it to your Control Center. You can move and size it based on your interest. Once done, you will just have to long hold on the Screen Recording button. Tap onto this option of Microphone. When it turns red, your iPhone audio is enabled. Tap anywhere to get back and just click on the Screen Recording button to start screen recording with audio. This is especially useful for content creators, educators, and tech support, who rely on accurate visual and audio feedback. That's how easy it is to screen record with audio on iPhone 16. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.